Go.
Good afternoon, I am Juvie Gahit. Then the skill demonstrations that I have going to present is the Google Slide. This application is seen in Google account and we can create here and format presentation and work with other people. So first, I will go to the Google browser, then go to my Google account, then choose the slides. Then I will choose all the blank presentations. Then this is my first slide. And this first slide, I will put the title of my presentation. For example, the slope of the curve. So here, I want to change the font size. So I will, example, I will change it to 50. Then make it bold to see the different icons for font text icons. So I will click these three dots, then choose bold. Then you can do also in a shortcut way, just press Ctrl from the keyboard and B bold. Then if I want to change the font style, still click these three dots to see the icons for the text. Then I want to change the style here, then choose impact. Okay, then this subtitle box I will put the reporter name, example Juby, a reporter only, Juby Gahi. Then if you want to change the background of this slide, you have to right click, then change background. Then if your background you want is the pictures that you save in your laptop, you go to upload, then browse, then go to where the pictures save in your laptop. So this one, I will choose that one, then wait for the pictures, then done. Since the text is not clear, so I want to change it into another color. So click the three dots here, then change the color into white. Then this one, then also this one, change it to white. Then I will go to the another slide. So just put your cursor on this first slide, then right click, then new slide. On this new slide or second slide, I will put my objectives. So same way in changing the text style, so I will click the three dots here, then change the font size, can use to 18 or 24 or 50. Okay, then I can put here the objective where I save in the Word file. Here, then change the font size. Then you can add bullet here through this one. Then if you want to put this this text to left, you just click the alignment to center or to right or to center or justify. And if you have another objectives, you just copy paste the box, then place the text with another objective. Okay, and change the font size. Okay, then if you want to change the theme on this slide, can choose the theme here. So I want this one. Okay, since the text is not clear, so change the color by clicking these three dots to white. Also, five to three dots. Also this one. Okay. Then if you want an animations or transition, you go to slide, then apply the transition, then apply transition, slide from the right. Then if you want to add animations of each text box, add animation, click this one, then appear. Then for this one, add animation, then fly from top. Then click the text box, add animation, then click the text box, add animation, fly from top, then delete this one. Okay, then you have to play to check if it is good. So objective. Okay, so good. If you want another slide, so you have to right click, then if you want to use the same theme, you just do the duplicate slide, then just change the text from the text box. Example, the title of the topic, then its definition. Search here in the Google. So just copy. A slope of a tangent line. Then for a curve at one point. this one, then delete. This. Okay, delete. Okay, then preview or play to check. Okay, then so this is your presentation. Then back to the first slide. Then this one, change its style, destroy. Oh, yan na yan. So here, since I accidentally the themes used into format, change this text. Okay, then to another slide, the new slide. Then I will add picture here. To this one. Then adjust the picture through dragging. Then I will add the text box. Just copy here. Here. Then yan na. Okay, change the font size. Then M, the slope stands for M. And the text box. Yan na yan. Okay. Then if I want to add transition here or animation, I'm going to add animation, appear, then slope formula, add animation, feed in. Then I want to group this one. Hmm. Hmm. This one. Mm-hmm. Okay. To add animation here. Here. Play. Okay, try to check again. Then add animation. Then this one. Add animation. Check. Okay. Then, so this is the presentation. Going to slide. This is a sample presentation. Present this one. Okay. Okay. To check the slide. So here is my slide in using Google Slide. So this is my sample presentation using Google Slide. So that's all, and thank you for listening and watching my video.